Welcome back, everyone. It is 12:25 a.m. on this Wednesday. Rather warm out there with temperatures in the 70s, 80s, and we are tracking a weak front now in the upper valley. Unfortunately, this front is going to fizzle out for this afternoon, so not much of a cool down with it. We had been seeing a few small showers earlier this morning, but right now pretty quiet. However, we are going to hang on to a slight chance for some spotty showers over the next 3 to 4 hours as the front starts to slide into the region. Look at the temperatures right now. 78 degrees in McAllen and Weslaco, lower 80s in Edinburgh, Raymondville and Harlingen, 81 in Port Isabel. Here's your day planner forecast. I would keep the umbrellas handy just in case. We're going to leave in just a 20% chance of some spotty showers for the early to mid-afternoon with a temperature of 83 degrees. We're down to 76 at 6 p.m. and 70 at 9 p.m. And there is a good chance overnight for some patchy fog. Hey, the big parade in McAllen is this Saturday, the McAllen Christmas Parade. Overall, it looks pretty good. There is just a 10% chance of a shower, but at 4 p.m., we're looking at a temperature of 80 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. We should be in the mid-70s at 6 p.m. and then upper 60s by 8 o'clock in the evening. So here's a surface map. There's a weak front on our doorstep over the upper valley. Again, it's going to fizzle out for this afternoon, so we're not looking much of a cool down. Then we have two more fronts on the way over the next 7 days. First things first, the temperatures right now ahead of the front, 78 degrees in McAllen, behind the front, 65 in San Antonio, 68 in Austin, 52 in Amarillo, 54 in El Paso, and 70 degrees out east in Longview. So here's future track. This front fizzles out for this afternoon over our area. Front number 2 comes in by tomorrow evening. A little bit cooler, not much of a cool down again for Friday. And then it's warm for Saturday and Sunday. And then front number 3 should come in by Tuesday of next week. And we may be looking at a more significant cool down, maybe highs in the upper 60s by the middle of next week with this front number 3. On the water, we'll have winds out of the northeast at 10 to 15 knots. The bay waters are a light chop. Your next tide is a high tide in just a couple of minutes, 12:32 p.m. and the seas are 1 to 2 feet. Isolated showers still possible. So for today, we'll call for a mix of sun and clouds with a 20% chance of some showers and a high temperature of 83. Then for tonight, partly cloudy skies are in the forecast. Lows right around 61, and there is a good chance for some patchy fog overnight into Thursday morning. So, of course, please do be careful when driving tomorrow morning on your commute. Here's that 7-day forecast. The high temperatures remain in the lower 80s, so really not much of a cool down for the next couple of days. 81 Thursday and Friday, mostly sunny for Thursday afternoon and Friday. We'll put in a slight chance for some showers Saturday and Sunday. High temperatures are back to the mid-80s on Monday, then back to 79 degrees on Tuesday. Look at the morning lows. Temperatures are down to the mid-50s behind the front for Friday morning. 61 degrees for Saturday morning, upper 60s for Sunday, and then upper 60s for Monday. So show the temperatures across the state of Texas. Let me show the temperatures up north for this Wednesday afternoon. Right now, 39 degrees Minneapolis, St. Paul, 46 in Des Moines, Iowa, 53 in Bismarck, 36 in Winnipeg, Manitoba, 27 Thunder Bay, Ontario, to the southwest, 48 in Hastings, Nebraska, and 55 in Rapid City, South Dakota. So again, this is a weak front that's going to make its way into the area for this afternoon, then it fizzles out. So really not looking at much of a cool down. If you just missed it, let me show the 7-day forecast once again. Only about 83 for today, just a 20% chance of some showers, down to 61 degrees for tonight. Again, the big thing for tonight is the patchy fog. Watch for patchy fog tonight into tomorrow morning. 81 for Thursday and Friday, and then 82 for Saturday with a 10% chance of a shower. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. We shall be back after this.